All right, folks, so we got a package. This came from a viewer. He reached out to me and he said, hey, he has a whole bunch of old computer stuff that he's looking to get rid of. Some old, some new, some in between. I don't know. He sent me some pictures. I didn't pay attention as much as I should have. I know, that's pretty bad. But anyways, he said he was going to take it to the electronics recycling. He offered to mail it to me. So we went back and forth. We agreed on how much he can send and how much I can afford to pay in shipping, because folks, shipping ain't cheap. This came out to about 62 pounds and I paid about over $250 in shipping. So I probably should have looked at the pictures more. That would just make sense, but that's not what I do here. I need to see what I got, take inventory of it, and see what we can use. A lot of viewers reach out to me all the time offering me stuff. Some people just send me stuff, no cost shipping. Some people I buy stuff from. Other people, we make a deals like this where I pay shipping for it. So if you're interested in that, email me at dlmtechgarage@gmail.com, depending on what you have or, what I'm looking for. We might be able to make a deal. So definitely reach out if you're interested. But either way, I need to go through this stuff. This box is pretty intense. Like I said, 62 pounds. So with that being said, I need to take inventory of this. This thing is heavy. And I'm not organized. So I did the right thing and recruited the Mrs. DLM primarily because this thing is heavy. And if I break my back and lie here on the floor, she could actually take me to the hospital.
No. I'll leave you lying on the floor.
Yep. We're getting divorced tomorrow. So let's take a minute to talk about today's sponsor, Amither. Now, if you remember a couple of years ago, I had broke my back. And after 2 back surgeries, I'm back to normal. Well, mostly. But the key thing that helped me get through my back surgery was being outdoors, hiking, camping, all that type of good stuff. And while being outdoors, I enjoy the scenery. It's nice to look at birds, animals. I mean, it is gorgeous out there, and it's a great way to exercise the body and relax the mind. Amither sent out this telescope. I've been using it and has been fantastic when I'm out on my hikes. With a BAK4 prism and FMC lens for clear images, low light vision compatibility for clear viewing, and 12x magnification for clear and detailed viewing, it has been great to enjoy the scenery. Now with its compact and lightweight design, it's easy to carry and easy to use. Comes with a pouch, pop it in the pouch, throw it in your backpack, or even in your pocket. Take it anywhere you go. Now one feature that has been really cool about it is you're able to attach your phone to it. So this adapter goes right on over here, just like so, mount your phone to it, and then your phone will be able to capture the image. You could take a still picture of it and hold on to the awesome memory. Simply attach the mount to your camera phone, just like so. I'll line this up with the camera lens, and this goes right into the telescope. Once attached, turn your camera on, focus on what you want to focus on, get that nice clear image, and you can go ahead, take that beautiful photo, and never forget that outdoor experience. The Amither telescope is a great gift idea, great for all outdoor activities, and anytime I'm out hiking, this goes with me. So if you're interested in checking one out, I'll post a link down below. Now back to today's video. All right, so trying to figure out what is the best way to do this and just capture it on camera. Don't have the wide angle, but this kind of get you guys in here. And as you can see, yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And recycling's tomorrow, and my recycling bin is full. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start popping things on this side and just go one by one. All right, so what do we got here? We got memory. So we got 2 8 gig sticks of DDR4 memory. Oh no, this is I read this wrong. This is 4 8 gig sticks of DDR3 memory. Good to have. So we got 8, 16, 24, 32. That works. Let's see, CPUs. Most of the one I'm interested in, Ryzen 7 1700. That's good. All these, just taking a look at them, and I wouldn't even notate these on the inventory. These are laptop CPUs, Core 2 Duos, I think. There's a Pentium 4 in there, so yeah, we're not going to worry about this stuff. Oh, wow. We have a sound card. Creative Labs, model number SB0880. I have a bunch of sound cards, folks, and I'm thinking about doing a video on it, and I just haven't figured out how to do it. This one, we have another sound card. Sound Blaster Pro Gaming AE5. Whoa, we got ITX action. Alright, let's see. We have... Oh, this is pretty cool. So we have an Asus ITX motherboard with the i7 4790K. Man, this is awesome. This one. All right, we got some older memory. We'll just put that on the older side of things. We got some DDR3 Corsair Dominators, 16 gig. Just regular DDR and stuff like that. We'll put that in this pile. Alright, this looks like a graphics card. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow, this is a Lightning. So this is an MSI Lightning. It's a R7970. These Lightning cards were just flipping sweet. Oh man, this is cool. Alright, let's see. We got a bunch of memory in here. Let's see what type we got. Yeah, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more sticks of DDR3 memory. Let's see. This is a Wi-Fi card. These are definitely good to have. I like it. What do we got? A Ghost. We got a graphics card. This is, I think it's the, yeah, 7850. What is this? Oh, we got a CPU cooler. Wow, Intel Optane memory. This was a cool gimmick back in the day. I never got around to using it. So we got a Optane memory, 32 gig. We have this, which is, these are stinking cool. I mean, it's older memory, but still. This is Mushkin DDR3 32 gig stick. Wow. Radioactive. White, look how cool that is. Wow, this is a huge fan. Holy moly. This is pretty nice. This is my biggest fan.
No, it's not.
Wife, you are supposed to be there typing, not talking, okay? Folks, I'm in trouble once I press stop, so this video may never end. We got an Asus graphics card. What flavor do we got? Oh, wow, this is kind of cool looking. All right, GTX 780. Yep, we'll definitely have to do a video testing all these cards out. Nope. All right, we got a Cooler Master. Yep, Cooler Master CPU cooler. All right, this is an older graphics card. We'll put this one to the size of GTX 285. Let's see what we got over here. The box alone is cool. Asus A8N SLI. Let's see. Yeah, we got an oldie, but still pretty cool. I actually have one of these motherboards on display. Do I? Yep, I actually have the same motherboard on display that died on me. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Folks, I don't know what this is. I know it's a sound card, but holy bananas. This thing's intense. This is a Claro Halo XT Omega. I'll definitely have to look into this and see what this is about. But as of now, I've never seen a sound card like that. This is, oh sweet. Oh, let's see what this one is. It says X670. Do we have an X670? Who knows? Let's see if we can get this open without damaging it. Damage open. Nope. Nope, X670. But we got a, alright, so we got an AMD FX 8320 motherboard and CPU. Alright, we got a Monocular cooler. Let's see what this one is. Oh, we got a Wi-Fi card, like antennas. Let's see what this motherboard is. Oh wow, we got a gigabyte. Let's see what's in here. A box and some wrapping. Oh, these are like motherboards and cards. What's gonna suck is I have to clean all this up. That's future us's problem. Notice I said us.
This is your garage.
Now it's my garage. Was it my garage yesterday?
My car might be in it.
Let's see what we got. We got a Zotac GT430 graphics card. It's a cute little guy. Oh wow, we got a capture card. That's pretty cool. Elgato HD 60 Pro. Alright, we got a motherboard. What flavor do we have? It's a Gigabyte F288 A10 7800. Alright, so that's one for the collection. Got an older Gigabyte graphics card. Not sure what it is. Oh, okay. So this looks like this is all the mounting hardware for all these coolers. So that's cool. Oh, nice. Another Monocular. Let's put a Monocular cooler. Oh wow, we got a mini one. Let's see. We have a ITX ASRock FM2 A88X board with 7800 series CPU. Alright, this is the last box. Let's see what we got in here. Maybe save the best for last. What do we got here? We got a older MSI graphics card. Oh, cool. Two Noctua 80mm fans. That's awesome because I actually need two of those. Oh, wow. Okay. This is something intense over here. I think I remember him talking about this. Oh yeah, EVGA. We got an AIO. Oh, wow. This is an EVGA GTX Titan X hybrid graphics card. This is flipping sweet and fantastic. Wow. And last but not least, wow, this is going to be cool for a retro rig. This is a Abit AN8 32X motherboard. Folks, Abit, A-B-I-T, AN8 32X motherboard. Now, I don't know what CPU this is. I don't remember much about this, but these things were flipping. These were cool back in the day. I mean, just, folks, we're looking at history over here. Just look at the color of the motherboard. This wonky CPU cooler. I mean, wow. I like this old stuff. I definitely geek out with it. This is 1 gig of, I just think this is regular DDR memory. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. I am definitely going to have some fun with this. I'm trying to build a cool retro rig. I think it has like the world's first RGB. This is just worth firing up just for that. I mean, that's just, oh, so cool, so cool. And we got the rear I/O plate. Psh, winning. Folks, we are so winning. All right, that is everything. So let's wrap this up. Of course, the wife runs away when it's time to clean up. Leave me with the mess. Boo. But anyways, so this is a lot of stuff, but still pretty cool. The i7 4th gen, pretty nice. The HD 60 Pro will work for what I need it for. A bunch of coolers and fans. This Titan X, that's pretty awesome. That'll definitely work for something. This older hardware, I'm gonna try to see what I can actually use for some of this stuff. But yeah, got some extra graphics cards that I can use. Get some potato builds going. Pretty stinking sweet. Definitely appreciative to the viewer who sent this. This is a lot of stuff, and now that we mostly got it inventoried, we could go ahead and see what I have, what voids this would fill, and see what we can build and play with. So comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, concerns, criticisms. What do you think of all this stuff? And what do you think was the best item that I got? If you like this video, definitely hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not. And as always, we'll see what we come up with next.